In Marin, we're at the Twin Cities Co-op in Marin, and so there's kids here playing around, and so we're going to be working on building a bench. So we started this yesterday, doing the kind of the base, the foundation. So we've got these earth bags filled with earth. And then we got some, some blocks in here, and then we got bamboo and some split bamboo for the frame. So this is pretty well sturdy. This will be a roof over here, so we're going to be doing kind of a bamboo roof over it. So we're going to be doing a workshop tomorrow where parents from the community are going to be coming and helping build this bench, and we're calling it a bird nest bench. And so here's my mix here.
Building a bird's nest bench for a cooperative preschool, and it is amazingly fast and fun and easy to do, and it's very dirty.
So we're at Twin Cities Co-op Preschool, and we're doing a bird's nest bench with Miguel, and we really wanted to do this because we really wanted the kids to see how you can work with natural materials in the earth and create a really great living earth structure. And I also felt it was parent education, which is a big part of the co-op, and I think it's just great for the kids to have the experience of creating a structure of their own. It's perfect. The screen was perfect. So now we're doing our little designs all over it, and the kids are going to be doing their handprints.
Pretty close.
Do you guys want a stool? Do you want a chair? Good job, you guys.
Okay, so we're here at the Twin Cities Preschool. We just finished our first phase of our bench. We got the cob bench done. We're going to let it dry for about a week or so, and then plaster it and seal it. And so it's been raining a lot, so we just worked on putting this roof on just in time for the rain. And so it's a nice bamboo frame for the roof, and then we got this tarp temporarily. And so we're able to all fit inside here and stay dry in the rain. And so the parents have been great, very helpful doing this project. And and the kids have been getting muddy
And silly. All right, looks great.
It's wonderful.
Wake up, Lulu, wake up, Lulu, wake up, Lulu, it's not too late.